How can we produce individual batches up to lot size 1? How can we best leverage data-driven business processes? Our shop floor shows a typical multi-level production chain involving 3 phases: weigh and dispense, mixing, and filling. The approach demonstrates the integration of heterogeneous hardware, software, business processes, and sensors. All systems are fully integrated with SAP S/4HANA and SAP Solutions for Digital Manufacturing. This ensures a seamless process and transparency in near real time, a decisive competitive advantage for increasingly dynamic business models. First, the Weigh and Dispense app guides the production operator through the process safely. Components are weighed out in line with correct batches and quantities. And it enables the integration of health and safety information. An intelligent tool supports dispensing. The employee is always aware what quantity must be added. A connected scanner helps avoid errors. If a wrong component is scanned, the system gives an error message. Finally, a label is printed and the movement of goods is automatically posted in SAP S/4HANA. In the second step, the operator chooses the customer-specific color of the concentrate to be produced. Here, the carbon footprint of each variant is displayed considering the CO2 emission of the raw materials. After scanning and filling the premix into the Evo mix, the concentrate is blended with additional components coming from storage tanks. Afterwards, the operator checks several parameters coming from machine sensors to ensure operational capability. Based on process parameters, the EvoMix DCS controls the filling of each raw material. The finished mixed concentrate is then transferred to the intermediate storage tanks. In the end, the mixing machine automatically starts a cleaning process to be ready for the next batch. In the third phase, the operator benefits from a graphical overview showing all tanks available. Each filled unit is labeled. Each batch is clearly identifiable, making quality management easy. Along the whole production chain, batches are assigned to production orders. Traceability is ensured. Moreover, the system shows affected batches across all production steps. Sensor data can help optimize quality in an orchestrated automation level. And integrated OEE reporting allows you to keep track of the overall equipment effectiveness. SAP Solutions for Digital Manufacturing facilitate the execution of individual batch-related process orders. The new Production Operator Dashboard provides strong guidance through the whole process. Operators receive visual work instructions and safety information. And finally, production progress and material consumption per batch can be entered in an intuitive user interface. SAP Solutions for Digital Manufacturing can also be connected to the shop floor, allowing automated production execution to run Industry 4.0. Moreover, companies can foster employee satisfaction and sustainability, automate execution, and benefit from an integrated solution portfolio. All this ensures the transparency, efficiency, and flexibility to master even highly individualized products in an increasingly automated world.